up, you guys? So it's been about 3 weeks now since I've last posted anything about the car. As you can tell, I didn't get the hood, unfortunately, but I am looking in other hoods to get. So I'll show you guys around the whole car, how everything's holding up, starting from the lip kit to the fenders and the wing. So let's get to it. As you can see, nothing really changed with the car, except a few things. The tire letters that I got, now keep in mind, these were extremely cheap tire letters. I got them because I wanted to see how the car will look like with them, and I'm in love with tire letters. So my next car that I'm gonna get, I'm definitely gonna get them. But I might go for the authentic ones and get like actual rubber ones, because these, if you guys can see, they cracked, which is not really a big deal. These were basically temporary. I just wanted to see if I was gonna like them, and I did a lot. They look awesome in white from far away, but since they started cracking, it's kind of unfortunate. I mean, they're still on here pretty solidly, nothing's like coming off or anything. Same with the GT86, just small cracks. But I do feel like I can kind of fill them in, touch them up with a pen or something like that, like the paint pens. But since it's cracking here, the whole thing is going to crack, so I'm just going to leave them on for now. I'm not going to take them off. Once I'm going to need to be putting new tires on, because these are summer tires, so when winter comes and I get new tires, I'm definitely going to be putting tire letters in those as well. So let's start with the lip kit. As you can see in the video, it's clearly gray. Same with the fenders. Now, it was supposed to be ABS plastic, but I'm guessing this is a polypropylene, or however you want to say it. I don't know how to pronounce it. So it is very flexible. I've scraped it so many times and it's still on there solidly. Now, I know for a fact that my fenders are ABS plastic. They're awesome. Like, durability wise, they're freaking amazing. But as you can tell, they're black. These are gray, like turning gray, even though they were the same color as that. Now, the ABS plastic has no like wear or anything, and it's not turning gray at all. So I'm pretty sure that is real ABS plastic, and that is a polypropylene type thing, which is extremely flexible still. And it's one of the best lips I've owned, and I love it. It's super flexible. I scrape every time I get up like small hills like that, and overall I'm super happy with it. It's just that I have to paint it. Once I paint it, it's not going to be turning gray, but I was kind of hoping for it to be the same as the fenders, this kind of matte black, but since it's kind of fading, I think I'm just gonna paint them black. Now, my diffuser is also an ABS plastic, and it was put on the same time as the side skirts and the front lip. Now you could tell the difference. This is nice and black, just dirty, but it's black, while the side skirts are not. So that's the only issue if you're gonna buy these replica side skirts, which for the price are amazing. Just make sure you paint them. Now, for the wing, I love this wing, and I've had it for about 4, 5, maybe 6 months, and I cannot complain. This wing is amazing. I've taken in speeds over 100 miles per hour, and it's stable. It doesn't rattle, it doesn't drag, and it's actually, I honestly would say I feel some downforce with it. The car feels very planted in turns when I drive with this, and very planted down a straight line. Even though this car is not made to go fast, but with my stage 2 it's a little bit quicker than stock, and with the wing it's really nice. I like it, and no complaints with this wing. I've had it for about, like I said, 4 maybe to 6 months in between there, and there's no cracks, there's no wear, there's no rust, there's no anything that basically replica wings would show signs of, like wear and tear. Nothing. This wing is actually awesome. I love it. I paid $436 for this wing. That's probably the best wing I ever owned. Now, since it's been very cold lately here in Philly, the kit has been awesome. It's looked so flush, no gaps in between anywhere. Super happy with it because it's been nice and cold. There's no sun. It's not above 87, I want to say. I'm not really sure, but basically the kit has been on for 3 months and I haven't had a single issue. It's been breaking necks left and right. Everyone just stops and stares, points at the car, takes pictures, and it's awesome. It's a great feeling. Wasn't really building it for the people, but hey, I'm glad that they like my build. Now, While I enjoyed this Deadpool thing I was going for with red and black, I've decided to not wrap my car but to plastic dip it myself. I plastic dipped my G37S back in the day. It was about 2-3 years ago. So I spent about $87 to plastic dip the whole G37, and it's a lot bigger than this car, so it should basically take me about the same amount of money, around $87. Only reason it was so cheap is because I bought 2 gallons when the car probably needed around 2.5. I still covered the whole car, it looked great, and this car is much smaller, so 2 gallons will be plenty. Now, I bought a paint gun when I was buying the dip, so it came around $87 to like $90, and then I had my own compressor, so I just plugged it in, found a garage at the job I was working for, and just dipped my whole G37. Looking for a new car. I'm looking for a 4-door. I'm not going to tell you guys what kind of 4-door I want, but it's definitely going to be something cool, something sick that's not really on YouTube. No one's really doing crazy videos about it, and if I get it, I'm just going to build it. So definitely stay tuned for that. It's going to be an awesome car. It's going to be an awesome build, but this thing I'm not done yet with, so I'm not really 100% sure on selling it. I am going to be dipping in the very near future. I'm thinking maybe this week, next week, or next month, but definitely going to be dipping it instead of wrapping it. I'm going to be saving thousands of dollars for sure. So I'm just going to dip it myself, see how it comes out, and have the car like that for winter. Basically, dip is really nice. The only reason I dipped my G37S was to protect the paint, and it did its job. It protected it really nicely through the salt, through everything. So I'm definitely going to be dipping this whole car. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little walk around video. I'm going to show you guys some more up close footage of the fenders again, how they look. For 250 bucks, you really can't go wrong. It's been 3 months, not a single issue, thank God. Super happy with how the car looks, except kind of bummed for the lip that it's kind of gray and not black, but that will all get fixed once I dip the whole car, so definitely stay tuned for that. So before I leave, as you can see, basically the fitment is super good because the weather has been pretty nice. It hasn't been extremely hot like California weather or Florida weather. So as you can see, the fitment is actually spot on. Really happy with it. Still, like I mentioned, I was going to put the weather strip in between. I haven't done that. When I do that, even when it gets hotter, I'm pretty sure it's just going to be nice and flush with the weather stripping. But without the weather stripping, just look at that. Looks pretty much like the original, except it's not. So super happy with it. And if you guys have any more questions about where you can buy all this stuff that I've bought, like the emblems, the diffuser, the exhaust, the side skirts, front lip, fenders, wing, etc., the intake that I have, stuff like that, just let me know and I'll be sure to answer you guys. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to let me know that you enjoy my videos, and I'll try to keep posting more weekly. I know I kind of took my time with this one. It's been 3 weeks, but I've just been saving money because I am going to be buying a 4-door, and it's going to be an awesome 4-door that you guys will enjoy. So stay tuned for that one. Peace out.